stranger. It's been a minute.
Hey y'all, so this is what the packaging comes in. It says your beauty is my duty on the box. This is a very cute packaging with a nice quote. When you guys open up the box, you will find yourself a wig cap. Right along with it is going to be the wig and the hairnet. That was pretty much everything that did come in this glamorous box today. So now it's time to get into this good girl and see what she is working with, y'all. Now this is a 4x4 closure, and she is a 30-inch human hair deep water wave. Yeah, you know I'm about to have a ball, look like a Puerto Rican. And this is a 150 density because 180 definitely always give a fuller appearance. As you can see, the curls are still here whether I comb through it or not. It is still tight and nice, but I'm gonna stop right there because I like my curls real nice and right. Okay, now this is what the HD transparent lace looks like. It's giving the girls very much scalp. Now inside of the cap, it has 3 combs, one at the bottom and an adjustable strap, just in case that wig is a little bit too big. Now I hope you guys stick around and continue to watch my video as I do this tutorial.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something?